In this video, we'll be going over a preview of what I'll be purchasing in my next haul. So tune in, come in, find out what I bought, and let's see what we copped. So guys, it's been a minute since I purchased the haul, did an unboxing review. Again, I appreciate everyone showing up to the video. I think we hit over close to 3,000. Let me check. Really appreciate you checking out the video. That was like really crazy to do because one, that was my heaviest haul I did. I didn't expect that to even pass, but who knows, right? You've seen crazy videos than mine where it would pop up with 32 kilograms. Someone shipped, I believe, a fucking treasure chest, a Louis Vuitton treasure chest, I believe. I'll post a video, I'll post a picture in here, but we copped a few items and we'll get into that. Cool. I will show you the photo of what I copped, and then in a later video I will show you a first look, and probably make an outfit out of these items. These finds, I low-key found them on my own except for 2 to 3 items, but again, I shout out to the subreddit who helped me find those said items. I really appreciate you. You don't know how much that means to me, because look, trying to find that on your own, scouring the internet and finding several sellers that don't have your item but it has the different colorway is really difficult to do. So again, I really appreciate you for doing that for me, and I'll showcase that in this video. Okay, cool. So the first item we have is your annual baby shower outfit. So right, so it gives a little flavor where it's more not like a vanilla but more of an off-white with a plum/purple look. Again, my favorite color is purple, so that's one of the main reasons why I got this, because it's not loud and it's more subtle per se, but you know what it is, right? So that's the first item. So we actually caught 2 Burberry baby shower outfits, and this is one of them, which is one of the flavors or one of the colorways that I copped. So again, this is real subtle, but not like just like shouting in your face that this is Burberry, even though you know the pattern. Next up in line, we have the Ambush Rolex President Bracelet. Apparently, it cost about $548.
You serious?
I don't know. This cost me, I believe, only 47 and yeah, it's really subtle. I'm also wondering if I could pair this up with my other Rolex that I purchased from Pure Time, because I actually lost some of the cufflinks, or some of the what would you call these, bracelets per se, part of the bracelet, and would add that onto it so I could have more wiggle room per se, because the watch got a little tight on my wrist. So this is one of the pieces that I found through the subreddit. There's a guy who helped me out when I asked the WTC or where to cop, and he helped me out finding a seller that has this link. I actually copped this utility belt, even though I rock my Burberry and my Dior belt, but it's cool to have a utility belt. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the 2.5, because the 2.5 centimeter is literally like not big, so we'll see how it works. This is one of the sellers here. It cost me 210 You could do the math and just look that up. But it's not bad. I would say it's not bad of a pickup. Next in line, we have women's crew neck or long sleeve, and I'm probably gonna give this to my mom as a Christmas gift. So stay tuned for that. I really like this. If I could fit this, I would wear this. No lie. And they actually had 2 colorways. They had this one and a navy one. And in the next slide or here, I'll show you what it looks like on a female. And I feel like sometimes there needs to be a men's crew neck just like this. So this is the brown one that I'm gonna give to my mom, and they have a navy one. So do you think you could pull this off if you're a male, or do you think this is the way how the fit is? It's not gonna fit if you get a bigger size. Let me know down in the comments down below what you think. Item I'm getting is the off-white Air Force Hyperdunks. There's not many sellers who sell this, to be honest with you, because a lot of people say, oh, go to DHgate, oh, go here, go here. Well, I found you a seller. It will be in the Google spreadsheets down below, and it's not that bad. So I'll give you a first-hand look in court when I use these when I'm playing basketball as well. So we could actually go up to 10, 10 half, 11, a size 12. I apologize if you are a size 13. It's really hard to find for your size. So I wear 10. This is a perfect fit. Okay, next up in line, we copped a ambush rose necklace. I'm a big fan of roses, and this is perfect. This is like perfect for me. So it's a small necklace, really subtle, and you can pair it up with the bracelet that I bought with the gold President Rolex. I could pair this up with a presidential bracelet, and we'll see that in the next video as well. So next in line, remember the past video of my December haul? I copped the Brown Crewneck. Love the crewneck, however it was too small after I ended up washing it. If you saw the bloopers, yeah, it was kind of too small, so it shrunk up, so I had to get a different size. So I actually doubled back and copped. So I had to double back and cop the bigger size and get the double down on the navy blue pair. So I had to do that. Is pairing up Hello Kitty and Jade. Went through the subreddit. A lot of people don't know if it's. I understand selling actual Jade is really hard to get, but and I guess there's a mythic or some type of unwritten law or rule that you're not supposed to buy your own piece of Jade. It's supposed to be given to you for good luck. However, no one knows what I want, and so I'm just gonna buy my own because I know what I want. So trying to find those two things in hand, Jade and Hello Kitty, is really hard to do in the Taobao search, but I managed to find one. If you're really interested, this will be down in the Google spreadsheet down below, as mentioned. This is pretty cool because it actually gives you a certification card of what it is. So this is just verifies that this is the item that you purchased, and it's just like when you buy a Rolex, it gives you that small identification card and verification as a member. Really cool. It comes in this little tiny box. I'm not sure what this thing is right here, but yeah, really interested in trying it out and replacing this silver necklace with a gold one. If you do happen to find a bigger piece, I would love to check that out. Okay, so this is the second colorway. You could never go wrong with baby blue. You can never go wrong with baby blue, white, gray, and black, because you could wear whatever you want but and style up with so many variations of those colorways. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. If you stayed till the very end, again, I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate every single one of you who watched all my videos to the very end. And yeah, I'll give you a first-hand look when these come in the house, and we'll see what it's like. Review when I unbox these in the later video. Again, if you watched this to the very end, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Call me in the middle of the night when I'm stuck inside my mind, wishing we could start